Hi class. So, I will teach you how to create database and create table and input table data in MySQL Workbench. Okay, to create, you have to click the localhost connection, then continue anyway. Then you have to go to the other working area such as the create a new schema. And then you have to type the name of the schema. By the way, class, the schema is the name of the database. Click apply, then okay. Then click apply again, and then finish. So as you can see on the schemas or list of database, the Paaralan database will be included. So let us set the Paaralan as the default schema. So to create table, just right click, then create table. On the table name, replace it with the file name tbl section. Next, click this arrow, then to add the field name. So for example, my field name is ID. So make it a primary key, not null. And then we have the field name such as section. So varchar siya. It is a not null. And then click apply. Click OK. And then apply again to save the changes. Then click finish. To enter the table data, so you have to select the table name on the schemas such as table section, and then there is a grid or a table grid here. Then click it. Then on the result grid, you have to type the record. So for example, 1 section A, 2 section B, or 1 Sampaguita, and then we have number 2, which is water lily. If you are done, just click apply. So you just need to set the column width, and then apply, and then finish. So that's how we enter the data in the created table. How to create and drop database in MySQL Workbench using SQL. So using this one, there is an SQL view here. You just type create database and the name of the database. So for example, create database school. So once we execute it, under the schemas, we need to refresh, and then we can see the word or the database school. If you want to delete the database, just replace create by drop, and then execute. Then as you can see on the list of the schemas, the school database or schema was deleted. How to create and drop table in MySQL Workbench using the SQL. So in the SQL view, we just need to do this. So we have to use the create table statement such as create table student, and then we have to include the field name together with the data type. Then try to click the execute, and then the table student will be created in Paaralan schema. To delete the given table, we just type the drop table and then the name of the table. So drop table student, then execute again. So as you can see, the table student was deleted. How to insert values in table using SQL. So we just need to type on the SQL view the insert into student values followed by open parentheses and then the field names, field records. Then try to click the execute button and then the result grid will appear. So that's it. So these are the SQL basics on how we create backup tables. So you may try this at home. Thank you and good day.